Welcome to another episode, guys. As you can see, the price of Bitcoin is just doing what he's know how to do, just going up, taking a break, and going up and up and up and up. If you see in the weekly chart, I mean, it's amazing what we just did in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. Just have been incredible bullish for the price. And if you want to know what is going to happen next, just watch this video until the end, and you will try to understand a little bit how the charts work. It doesn't really matter what the needle is. It's just most the price action and the charts and what the market actually say. We also, I also would like to share some other altcoins. Like people have been writing me messages and asking for Sui, for example. So where they go, like you see this jump from Sui was really insane, from 160 all the way to $4, almost reaching the previous high and holding that price, which is really amazing. It's incredible, the price action, and actually everybody says it's the next Solana, so we will see if that's true. It should go much higher, but it's a little bit difficult to see it because right now it's like in the 12th position, number 12 from market cap. So let's see if actually can do. They need to drop all the top 10 that is right now listed, no? It can happen? Yeah, of course, it can happen, no? Everything is possible in crypto. And also Solana, we were taking a little bit overview because we reaching this really hard resistance. It's really strong resistance, as you can see. All this red frame, it really show where Solana have been pushed to sell, so everybody's just like selling now and dropping the price. Let's see if that's gonna break. I also would like to show you a little bit of the indicators I use now in order for you to have a better idea how you can also follow yourself or have a better picture of what to do with the charts as well, because many people are just watching videos all the time and you just get more confused because some people are just drawing a lot of lines, some other are just trying to explain you why it failed, why it's gonna fail, and but there is no really explanation if it's going up, it's going down, or it's always like just a speculation. But the market can be really speculative, but I also can give you some guides where it's going if you just pay attention to some key points, like it is just the tendency, the time with these T's, green and red. This is pretty much saying the time, and just in a better simplified way for you to say it. And so and volume as well, no. That will be the three important thing. There's more, but this is for now like the importance in the time frame as well. Now we can watching the weekly chart, which is something to predict in the next month. No, most of the people they don't even know what that actually means. But going deeper into what the price is actually doing right now, we can also see Bitcoin have been going all the way to 70, from 76, 75 was the lowest, 75 all the way to 105. That's insane for a daily chart. It's insane. So right now, what the price, like you can see here, the tendency is so clear. It's bullish as F. Just going up and up and up and up, breaking completely with volume as well. No, it wasn't any fake out. So when with volume all the way to the 105, and here is the key resistance. Here resistance for the previous high, It gonna break it? Yes, it will break it, because you see the tendency and the volume was in order. What it would happen now, as you can see the time I was trying to mention before, has been going now like almost at the end of the time, no? During the daily chart, we can predict that it will have something that will happen in the next 8-10 days, 12 more or less. And here have been just going longer and longer, no? Until now, they start to be a little more soft. So this going to 0 for now? No, it won't go to 0 for now. Going to 60? No, either. But here we're expecting either a consolidation or a rebound to the 90, 95 to this yellow line, you see. This is around 92, but this is moving with the time. So let's expect in the next days maybe will be around 93, 95, which is perfect, which is the blue line. This will be like the support, mainly support for Bitcoin and many other altcoins, like we will see later. So do you still have a chance to buy? Yeah, probably yes. If you didn't got anything, you still have a chance to get between this range of the 90s in the next, I would say, 1 to 2 weeks. So if I would be you, I would have already something prepared on the exchange in order to buy it as soon as the price fell to that price. So yeah, now going back to Sui. Sorry guys. As you can see, it's also the time, but this is another point. This white line that you see over here, it shows how strong is the action of the movement of the token we're observing. And in this case, above this middle line, it means that it's really strong. The time is already passing. It can make another valley here, green one. Yes, it can. I'm expecting more how you can see how strong is the price, and holding this forward that probably we will go and reach the 5 all the way to here to the red line, 5,480, and from then I start to do what Bitcoin is doing right now, get a little bit of rejection, then consolidating, and or maybe just going to find again to support of the 350. By the time right now it's 3.7, but in the next week it will be moving this yellow line. Maybe right now sounds a little bit complicated, but I will try to make more videos like every week and trying to explain more what are the indicators I have here and how you can also find your way to manage them and find their own way to predict what the price of the token will be next. It's a good opportunity to buy right now Sui or Bitcoin. I would say no, just be patient. That is all what you need always in crypto. Just be patient. For that, it's really important to learn about the time, the daily chart, weekly, 4 hours, 1 hour. That is really important to learn, because like this you can just be patient, take a break, sit down and just set some spot orders and then enter when it felt, no? Like I was saying, now is not really the perfect moment to buy, but I would recommend you just to wait 1 or 2 weeks, and then you can see more or less what the price is. If continuing the consolidation, yes, it's the way to go in, and then it will go up. The most potentially will go up. And the same thing for Bitcoin. You just wait between this range of the blue line, which is around 340 to 3 more or less. That would be the best area. It can go to here to 4, yes, like I was saying before, but the support it will be always around 350, 360. So there are some ideas for you to get into Sui. I'm bullish on Sui, yeah. I mean, if you see it, it's really insane, the price action. I mean, this I was taking an observations, it was like 40 cents, 50 cents. And then went all the way to, like, this is just beautiful chart. You know, just taking, going up as hell, going down you to retest, a little bit consolidation, and ready again to explode. And all the way like this. So now it's going to zero? No, I don't think the SU is going to zero. I have a really strong community. A lot of people are really supporting this project. You have Raw Powell as well. And many big faces in the space. Plus the chart. I mean, it doesn't matter how many people calls have this token. It's just the chart looks nice. Like compared to ETH, for example. I mean, I like it, I have some ETH, but I mean, the price action have been not too good. I mean, but this was as well, last bull market, it was really slow. ADA as well, super slow, everybody just throwing a lot of S on it. They're always going to hell, they're always going to zero, nothing's gonna happen, and then boom, you see? This huge candle. Yeah, it's a slow, yeah, it's a slow compared to others. But it's gonna go up, yes, it's gonna go up. Yeah, it have more resistance, but I think it's gonna break it, you just need patience. So next guys, I wanna also to share a little bit of news. This actually is not new, but I mean, just when you compare Bitcoin with the global M2, which is the global liquidity, it has been really insane how this has been going up. This is not up to date, this is from March, but if you can see here in the indicators, let me show you. And if you see, the price is following nicely. It's following nicely. And it's insane all the liquidity that is right now deployed in the market. Yeah, we don't see it right now. Not yet. The market has been a little bit, I think that it had been more like confusing everybody. Because everybody is expecting something, or everybody's expecting that the market move exactly like last bull market, and actually somehow have been moving quite like the last bull market, but it's not do exactly the same like the last market, and that's what everybody get hooked up and confused. And because most of the people forget what happened in the last bull market. So looking the chart and the indicators, Bitcoin still have a big leg to go. This is actually something I posted long time ago. If you want to have more news about real time and stuff are happening, you can just follow me on X or YouTube as well, or Block Space, like this. This is something I post in December from 2024, expecting around, like, everybody's calling in Bitcoin to 250 or 200. Yeah, it can happen. It's gonna happen for sure in the long term. I don't have any doubt about it. But in this time, I was just timing it around 120 at the time in December, when the time it didn't pass that much. Now that it passed much, of course, it may go a little bit higher. Expecting around 135, 145, that being the kind of normal range. Let's see what is going, but I was pointing already to this with the wave, Elliott wave. We were already, when we were at 60, was in the 4th leg, and now we are going to look for the 5th leg, which is the last one. And after that, I'm afraid Bitcoin will fail again. It will be another bear market, Even if many people say that the design is different, it won't be a bear market, there's no chance for you again to buy cheap, so you need to buy now. And that, I don't think that is really true. That you can buy cheap, yes, of course, you can buy cheap. Even now, it's just 0.1 million, one Bitcoin. So it's cheap, yeah, still it's cheap. You're gonna get it at 10 or 20,000? No, I don't think so. I don't think you're gonna get that price anymore. So yeah, if you want just to know more in real time, or you want to learn more about my technique, just you can just write some comments below, and I will try to answer and explain you the way to navigate the market. No. Just a really quick new before to finish. I want to do some short videos, just in order to start to see what you're interested in, and then hopefully it will help me to figure it out as well, and try to distribute more information about crypto, because that's the future. You like it or not, or anybody likes it or not, it's just how it is. And the best thing is always to know about it and share it, and people get informed and involved in order to don't continue with this break system that we have been since always. So yeah, and that's also why you need to watch this, which is why we fix Bitcoin fix that, and everybody involved is participating in a big revolution like never before. You will hear.
Every day, the Fed prints an average of $465 million. That's 26,000 shipping containers a year, created out of thin air. Maybe that's why the dollar loses value over time. But there's one thing they can never print more of: Bitcoin. At the size of a quarter, this is all there will ever be. Shouldn't a store of value hold its value?
So yeah, thanks. See you next time. Subscribe.